Who knew Vegemite, beer and lamb could smell and taste this good? I did, because I've done it before. And the umami hit that Vegemite brings to this dish is out of this world. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create some Aussie-inspired lamb chops. We'll be combining three of my favourites, Vegemite, beer and lamb, to create one superfood. So just sit back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. What could be more Aussie than lamb? If you said kangaroo, you can go to the back of the room and be quiet. No one likes the smarty pants. Today we're grilling the good old trusty barbecue lamb chop. And as always, I picked my meat up from Gippsland Premium Meats. To be fair, maybe I should have used kangaroo for this. Come on, you can join the group again. These chops will be getting the marinade treatment. I've thrown 9 not-so-secret herbs and spices into this Ziploc bag along with the chops. Now, I'll just be topping this up with some beer, fixation beer obviously, so just seal that up and then give it a good mix up. And then just pop that in the fridge for about an hour to soak away its troubles. Now, the marinade ingredients aren't really that secret. I wrote them on this piece of paper. Oops. Best you just check out the description down below. Today I'm going to be using my Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, and I'm going to be pairing it up with my grill grates. Why? Because I like them. I'm going to open up the bottom vents to allow as much oxygen to our charcoal to keep it hot. Then I'll half fill a chimney starter with briquettes. I'll light them up, and once they're fully ashed over, I'll dump them in. And then using an old pair of tongs, I'll spread it out, make it nice and even. And then gently place the grill grates over the charcoal. Just give the grill grates about 10 minutes to warm up. My earliest memory around a barbie is smelling lamb chops burning to a crisp. The memories of cremated food. I say it's time to rectify that memory and cook these to perfection. So we're just going to give the grill grates a light spray of oil. We're just going to slap them down and hear that sizzle. And we're going to let them cook for 2 minutes just like that. Then after 2 minutes, we're just going to spin them a bit just to create a fancy little crisscross pattern. I know what you're thinking. I need a beer in my hand while I'm doing that. Yes, I do. Today, I'm cooking over a medium-high direct heat. And these Aussie-inspired lamb chops are only going to take about 8 minutes to cook. Or, for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. This would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will notify you every time I decide to use Vegemite in a recipe. Time to flip them. Oh, look at that, pretty. Now I'm going to do the same for this side. That being flip, spin, 2 minutes, flip, 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 flip. Done. Grill grates not only put a fancy pattern on your food, they help prevent fat flare-ups, therefore stops your food from burning. Well, unless you're a bad cook, it can't help you with that. The chops are done, it's time to get them off the heat. I really do wish you could smell through the camera because these smell absolutely incredible. Vegemite may make you think it won't taste great in a marinade. It just adds a salt factor. Trust me, I'm a sort of professional thingamajigamy guy. This is seriously that good that it should be illegal, and it probably is in some parts of the world. As always, cheers for watching.